Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, following chart shows number of students in a school who got distinction in one of three subjects. Find the number of students who got distinction in maths and history. Suppose P is for physics, M is for maths, and H is for history. Now here, students who got distinction in physics and maths are 19. Here we can observe students who got distinction in physics and history are 12. Students who got distinction in history and maths are 19 number of students. And students who got distinction in physics, in maths and in history are 6. So we can find the number of students who got distinction in maths and history are physics, means student who got distinction in physics, in maths and history, plus student who got distinction in history and maths, that is 6 plus 19 means 25. So there are 25 number of students who got distinction in maths and history. So our correct option is option A.